Hello friends, I am Probal Chakraborty. I want to discuss Charpit's method. Charpit methods is very interesting and very important for university examinations, because a lot of time this question is coming BSc mathematics and MSc mathematics. That's why friends I create this video for helping students. Let's start. Charpit's method let PDE is fx, y, z, p, q is equal to 0, where dz is equal to, dz can be written del f by del x, see this del f by del x, del f by del x into dx, it is called del z, and del y by del dy, it is called del z. So remaining portion is dz. So dz can be written del f by del z by del x, as z is the variable of x and y. That's why friends I can write this way, and dz is equal to p dx plus q dy. We find the relation between the vanishes x, y, z, p and q such that capital F x, y, z, p, q is equal to 0. On solving 1 and 3 we get the values of p and q, and equation 3 is obtained as this equation. We get this equation. This equation is very important equations. This equation. This equation is very important. That's why I discuss this equation. So friends, this equation is called Charpit equation. Charpit equation. And after that find the complete solution. This equation is called Charpit equations. We will discuss this. dp divide by del f by del x plus p into del f by del z, dq divide by del f by del y plus q into del f by del z, and dz is equal to minus del f by del p minus q into del f by del q, and del f by del dx is equal dx divide by minus del f by del p, dy divide by del f by del q, and capital Df is equal to divide by 0. It seems very tough, but this is not very tough to remember, because everywhere you see how you will remember. You can remember this way, that p into del f by del z is including in dp, and q into del f by del z including of dq, and q into del f by del p del q including the dz, and minus del f by del p including minus. After the dx, dy, dz everywhere is minus, you must remember, and dp and dq is always positive. And dp and in case of dp and dq, you will see del f by del z and del f by del z. This is the process to remember this formula. So friends, I discuss the Charpit formula. Now I want to solve a questions. Find the complete solution. Find the complete solution of the equation z equals to px plus qy plus p square plus q square. So friends, I discuss total Charpit formula. Now I want to solve a questions, because this is very helpful for learning, as I am also learner and you will also learn. You can also learn from me, that this way you can learn. Answer. How can you will solve? You will solve that. You see that if whatever I write, you will see the Charpit method. You see fx, y, z, equals to 0 is equal to 0. So friends, this is my function, and according to the questions, my function is this. My function is this is my functions. This function is my f. This is the function is f. So how can I written? I write this way: x, y, z, x, y, z, p, and q. This is my total function. and this function is this function can be written this way, friends. Very simple way: px plus qy plus p square plus q square minus z. This way it can be written this way: fx comma y comma z, it can be written this way. And after that, friends, whatever I have told, del f by del x I have to find out, because as the equation you see that this is the equation. I need del f by del x, del f by del z, del f by del y, and del f by del p, del f by del q. Everything I need, and here f is my this equation. This is my f. This is my f. So whatever I have to do, I have to do this same del f by del x equals to p, and whatever I get next, del f by del y. Del f by del y is equal to whatever I get, I can get q. Del f by del z. Del f by del z is equal to whatever I get. Del f by del z I can get -1, and next term is del f by del, not z, it is del f by del p, because I have to find out, because according to the Charpit, whatever I have to find out, it is the value is x plus 2p. Another is del f by del q. Del f by del q is equal to whatever I get, I can get y plus 2q. So friends, this is my total. I need this value, del f by del x, del f by del y, and now I will start to solve. What is that Charpit auxiliary equation? Using Charpit auxiliary equation. So friends, my Charpit, what is my Charpit equations? This is my Charpit equation total. This is total my Charpit equations. This equation is very, very important for me, because I use this formula and solve this problem. So I do not write this equation, I just write general formal, because whatever I get, I will put in this. That at first I dp, and dp divide by whatever we see, dp divide by we see del f by del x plus p into del f by dp is equal to we see dp divide by del f by del x. See this, del f by del x plus p into del f by del z, and whatever we see, if you will follow the del f by del x, is equals to p, and del f by del z equals to -1. So friends, whatever I get p minus p, because del f by del z is equal to -1, p into minus p, -1 is equal to minus p, and dq divide by q minus q. Okay friends, because I multiply, according you will see that del f by del z, this value is -1 and del f by del y is equal to q. So q minus q is equal to 0. And now next I del f by I will solve another whatever I have to do. That next portion is my dz, and formula is p into minus p into del f by del p. Here del f by del p is equal to x plus 2p. So p into x plus 2p, whatever I will get, I will get minus p into x plus 2p. I just putting the value del f by del p value. My del f by del p value is this is my del f by del p value. This value is del f by del p value. This value I just putting in here because my formula is this formula del f by del p, p into del f by del p. Must remember, p into I multiply p with del f by del p, and del f by del p means I multiply when multiply p. So del f by del p means x plus 2p into p, and del f by del p del q y plus 2q I will multiply in here. This is the duties. So friends, I just multiply minus n into q into x plus, not x, y plus 2q. This is my value, and next value is dz. I find out dz, and next value whatever I find out, I found dx divided by minus x plus 2p, minus x plus 2p, because what is the my formula? If you see that my formula, if we see the formula, you will see that dx divided minus del f by del p. Del f by del p value is equal to x plus 2p. So we multiply dx divided by x plus 2p. Very simple, very easy, but need to remember this formula. This formula is remembering. This formula is not so much tough, because if you synthesize the formula, if you analyze this formula, you can remember easily. dy is equal to, and dy is equal to dy divided by y plus 2q. This question also coming a lot of university. I see this question, this is the very important questions, Charpit. That's why I discuss. And now if you see that dp by dp means dp by whatever I get dp divided by 0, and whatever I get dq divide by 0, and next whatever I get dz is equal to, don't need dp is equal to dg. Okay, whatever I get dp is equal to 0, and dq is equal to 0. This value I get. So according to the so I integrated that. So p is equal to a, and q is equal to b. Where a and b is constant. Where a and b is constant. So friends, a and b is constant. That's why friends, whatever I will get the formula, I will putting the value p and q in my given functions. Which is my functions, friends? My function is, this is my function. This is my function. This function I will putting the value p and q value I will put. So z is equal to ax plus by plus square plus b square. This is the total formula z values. So friends, my answer, this is my answer. I hope you can understand, and this is very simple and very easy problem, but charpit is very important, and derivations of charpit, this is also important. Thank you for watching. I hope that everybody can understand, and everybody, and this is the, and next time I will prove the derivatives of the charpit method is very important. Charpit method derivations, how you will get these auxiliary equations. This question is also coming a lot of university.